We're just gonna go do some stuff there.
Can I try saying something?
Okay.
Use the block. You
wanna look?
Yeah. Keep going.
She has the laptop missing, right?
Oh shit, it's a whole cover.
Yeah.
Can it work?
Perfect look right now.
Yeah, he's always trying to.
Oh!
Where you guys?
Yeah.
Jaded.
Say something else, like.
All right, my brothers in Christ and sisters in action. I am ready. The DP is ready. DP is kind of sort of satisfied.
Do you see the reflection of the TV and the painting?
No, the TV's like darkened. Like, look. Hussein, I love you. Can you?
I'm just.
Yeah, that's
You don't
great.
see, you don't see any reflection
I see nothing.
in the microwave.
Hussein, I love you, but.
You want me to close the bathroom door?
Wait a minute.
I love that shit. That show's great.
That's the shot right there. Alright. Director, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
You're literally just doing like food.
Line on the set, everybody. We're gonna roll camera.
Like, do I walk away?
Yeah, I'll tell you to get out frame. So you'll probably walk through here. Like behind you.
Okay.
Or,
Like your left. One
You're
side.
right,
Yeah.
well,
Sound rolling. Roll camera.
1 sec. I just realized what I can do.
Sound rolling.
I know. Camera speed.
Slate.
Remember the end of that?
Alright.
You just want to say it, please? Just
Yeah.
say it.
So yeah, I'll clap it. Alright.
It's gonna be hard to merge it.
I wanna do
It's still things forward.
They're not letting me slate, so I'm gonna slate here.
Yeah.
4C, take.
Take one. Marker.
Don't eat Alfredo.
And I told you that breakup cuisine requires Alfredo, so you're having Alfredo tonight.
Nice. Okay.
Who said that? Who said
Hold
that?
it, hold
He's
it.
like, no, keep talking to you.
Watch out, I'm gonna cross camera real quick. Hold on.
Yeah,
hold on,
like,
hold on. Give me a second.
so she was doing the same thing every single scene, right?
Frame.
Action.
And then he just dumped you?
He said he wanted to take a break. So I felt that I was too aggressive in our relationship.
Where does he get the nerve?
It's whatever. Maybe it's for the best.
We get a little goofy here sometimes.
Actually, you know what?
Come take a look,
Turn
come
that
on.
And with the gel, you guys like turn that on with the other gel?
Absolutely.
Thank you.
I can't get goofy anymore, I gotta go. Take a look.
With another gel? The one that's did you have
Mr.
scissors?
DP.
Okay, I'm sorry you have after.
How's that Alfredo?
Hmm?
How's that Alfredo?
You did not see that.
That gets shown in the shot.
I didn't realize you were sitting.
good.
Move your hand.
Hi.
What did you say? Sarah? They have treats.
Who's that?
Ooh. They have cookies in there too.
Damn it, you're right. It doesn't show. God.
Yeah, you're
Alright, I guess I'm DP now.
Well, no, I don't need that one. I'm not gonna swap down.
Alright, everybody settle. We're gonna go for another take.
Once it's tilted down, then he can place it in.
Yeah.
And then you can turn
I
the
think it
gain
might
up
be
to
after- no, it's not
gain
afterwards.
just so when you aim
So,
it that way, it'll pick her up.
At some point, we'll when we have some time. Whenever we get ready.
Yeah, but you're not telling me.
We're gonna have to hold it up and then just follow along.
I kind of want to be boom.
Want me to go from this stage?
Yeah, let me be.
Let
Let me be boom for this.
Smile for me, director.
This scene only.
Director.
You're not gonna have me jobless
Smile.
on Black History Month.
It's almost over.
Let's go.
I'll do 2 takes. 1 can and 1 7.
It's a wrap tomorrow.
Thank you, Mom.
I want her on the third.
Again, I'm gonna need everybody.
Everybody out.
I just need everybody like this way.
You want me to
And
close the back
everybody
of
goes
the door?
this way. I thought you saw me cooking.
Alright, let's.
Go ahead and call it, Sarah. Camera ready? Camera is ready. Sound ready?
It's just a test.
Is this a camera? No.
No.
Alright, guys.
I mean, it could be on, just with no audio.
Can I see my DP?
Not right now.
No, like, can I have it on the shot? Thank you, Kareem.
I wonder how this movie's gonna end.
I like how everybody's like, this is right where I'm gonna pan to.
And then he just dumped you?
He said he wanted to take a break. He felt that was too aggressive in our relationship.
Where does he get the nerve?
It's whatever. Maybe it's for the best.
Sounds like somebody had a bad day.
Not to mention the cherry on top. And some idiot on a bike jumps in front of my car.
Who rides his bike in the middle of a storm anyway?
Good.
Not. Yeah, I want
Day
to.
one.
My AC is down.
And I'm already jaded.
Oh, man. You're great. Shut up.
Can someone put a tissue on the leg, please? It's not looking good enough. It doesn't look like daytime to me. What the first time my real speechless, Yo. Oh, look at dress right now.
Oh,
No, you should have let it happen. You should have let it happen.
He knew the whole time, too.
I need orange, my brother.
Did you see? Did you hear
Wow.
the sound on the headset?
It's not good.
Dang it!
I forgot what. Okay. So I don't remember the one that I gave you. I don't think you gave it. Because I didn't touch it.
where is that for? You want to take a shit using microphone?
Your mics.
Oh, okay. Know what you like.
If you want. Like, I have lenses you can use. If you
Okay.
want.
No problem.
Just let me know.
Yeah, I took this one from the cage, so I got 24 to 105.
Damn. I don't got all that. No, I just got, 2 standard lenses and a wide angle. If you want to work with that.
Okay, that's fine.
No, it's.
Yeah, I got my 50.
Just this movie is an out of 10 movie.
I just thought about it.
Such a-
I didn't want it to end.
You heard? I was already because we knew it was gonna be split up, but I forgot.
I want it.
Hey,
I want it at least. Okay.
So you're eating Alfredo tonight. It's not a science experiment. Just eat it.
Okay, fine.
Your first date is tomorrow, by the way.
Again with the Linger app?
Yes, again with the Linger app. Jade, you haven't left the house in days, and your place is a mess. This isn't like you. What you need is to find
don't need to find anyone. Okay? I'm perfectly happy being single. Trust me. This has no effect on me whatsoever.
It's a little out of order the way we had it, but yeah. This is first.
Well, I was in New York back then.
So this is gonna be first. Yeah. Okay. This is first, and then the J over the shoulder. I think I fucked up the 180. You just flexed.
Yes, sir. That's what's up.
Everybody settle. Roll camera.
Somebody press it. Press it.
No, press it. Camera rolling.
Go ahead. It's MLS anyway. You can.
Slate.
Jaded, scene 7, cock roasted, take 1.
That was crazy.
That beat in between.
All right. Frame and action.
Ready? Is that good?
All right. Roll sound.
Sound rolling.
Roll camera.
Camera speed.
Slate. Slate.
This is.
Jade, Sarah, you're not slating.
Wait, is it the right take though? Take 3?
Yeah.
Take 3.
Oh.
Take 3.
Holy shit. I am late.
It's take 1.
Holy shit.
Damn. All right.
I am on planet Mars.
All right. All right. Never mind. No, don't cut.
Okay, now cut.
You know how girls are.
Rui, alright, is Boom in the shot?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
No? Exactly.
I don't see nothing.
Bro, tell me.
All right. Ready?
Hold on.
Oh my.
Look, Brad, if you want to see his lab board, then be my guest.
Ethan, we already told you you're doing the effect.
Someone fired
All right. Everybody ready?
Yes.
Camera ready?
Wait, who's gonna hold? All right, I'll drop the slate and pick up the pink light.
I will slate.
This shit is so nice.
I was trying to find like legends unite. A time where like everyone leave me alone. I'm like, yes.
I was gonna say something.
You can say it from there.
No, because he's here. That could be something.
How you doing, director?
Played it.
Jaded, scene 7B, take 1, marker.
Not yet. I'm ready. Ready. Huh? You don't.
Guys, can you please listen to Val?
Yes, I'm just tucking his thing in real quick.
Hi, Sarah.
Look down. Khalid. Cauliflowers.
You right there.
Caleb.
You're in the shot. You're in the lower. Yeah.
You're good.
There you go.
Sometimes.
Does it look kind of weird though, like him being like decapitated? I think it'd be cooler if we were closer and he was like a shoulder.
Should we get a wider lens at this point?
Khalid, stay in frame, please.
Did one actually touch it?
Khalid.
Oh.
I was in frame? I don't know where frame is.
No.
Shouldn't the 180 be we on this side?
I swear it does it by itself, I swear.
He's over here.
Yeah.
Just
Let's do the 180.
can you put the lav in his back pocket?
Yeah,
In my back pocket?
Yeah, just put it in your back pocket.
Okay. Put it in there.
I'm not touching your ass.
Are these your pins, Rui?
Oh no.
What about the clip?
Huh?
Clip?
This thing I'm screwing right now.
Yeah, the clip, yeah.
Is it a picture or video?
Video.
Oh.
Ethan. This video.
Hey, alright.
What did he say? What did you say? When you were...
You should start. Practice. Let's do a practice to see how it looks.
Cause you're the one that's doing it, so I do want to see how you're gonna do it. Adjust it for your view.
Put it back up, obviously. Boom's good there.
This good? Okay.
Yeah, no, just you two get closer to each other.
Sound ready?
Ahora mismo. ¿Correcto?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, we're ready.
Raise it a little higher.
You survived the cold.
Okay. No,
No,
bro.
not yet. Roll sound.
Rolling.
Go camera. Camera
Jade
speed.
out here, right?
Huh?
We need Jade out here, right?
We're gonna get her.
Shouldn't be Dutch. Not in the reflection.
Where'd you park your car anyways?
Oh, it's all the way up here, all the way the other side.
Hi, James.
Oh, wait till the light turns on. Wait.
Do me a favor, Simon.
Yes.
Come here.
Oh, shit. Well, that's not shooting video.
James, that's where you're filming? You don't want to use that table?
No, because we can't get coverage.
Well, IOC. I'm trying to figure something out right now.
I'm saying because at some point I come in and then I come out. So it's gonna go from two-person shots to three-person
Well,
shots. To
it won't. I'm gonna be real with you. You won't be that meaningful.
Like, I'm sorry, I'm taking.
Yeah. Okay.
Come
Sorry,
on.
I'm getting paid like an
You're-
My server board just wanted to play.
Hey, you gotta let us know what we're doing if you're gonna dip. You know, because you're in the scene that you want to start. So.
I'm actually for the.
Okay, go for it.
All right, Simon, you ready?
Hit it with the.
That's fine.
Ooh, that's good. Sam.
Yeah, what's up?
You wanna
So what I'm gonna do for you? Let me break it.
wanna do dance for the camera?
Come on, Flash. Play another one.
Let me see one more fast. Take it crazy.
Oh, that's so sweet.
That's clean too.
Yeah.
Do we break? Oh, we run another monitor?
That's nice.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that one.
Ethan, looking good, Ethan.
Thank you. Oh, wait, I didn't even get the lights over here.
Because if not, I'm about to prank this whole restaurant, y'all, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, put those on.
How's this, Val? You want hired?
Really? It's like 5 minutes. I'm gonna go grab go to the drive-thru.
Alright,
Yes.
you already know. I'm more on the sushi side. This is not my domain expansion, you feel me? Just whipping up some ramen noodles for the shoot, you know, I'm trying to look as convincing as possible. You know, shout out to the chefs. They left the veggies for me. They left the broth. They left the ramen. They kept the gas on for me so I can cook it. I don't have to, you know, light it a million times like they do in the morning.
Oh my god.
Andre, yes, we're actually gonna shoot it on this one. I think it will make a lot more sense. We shoot it on right there.
Why is that?
Because I feel like the angle and everything else was a little bit awkward for the wall.
Because
we,
this guy just watches hours of you run over. I've never seen you explain this to bring that up.
Because the scene we doing is actually put in front of all this what you're doing now.
Sorry, I'm late. I had a thing.
Never mind it. Go ahead in emergency. I need you to take over 6.
One more?
One more?
Yeah.
I see you, bro.
I was once in a toy studio.
I see you, Sarah.
Yeah.
Yep. Turn around. Tata video.
It's a video?
Yeah.
Simon. Look at that.
How am I?
Look at that. I'll go there too.
BTS of the BTS.
BTS of the BTS. That's what's up. All right. How do you feel, Pat? Are you having fun? Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Peace sign.
Yes, you could go and basically, hey, you guys want to join in with some financial arrangements or something? If you have a space, you could do that. Yeah. Awesome.
Camera speed. Slate.
Jaded, scene 5X. Take 2, marker.
Action.
Hey, Ryan. Sorry, I'm late.
Never mind it. Mohead in emergency. I need you to take over 6.
No. One more.
Excited, bro.
Thrilled.
You feeling it? Because I'm gonna let it go.
Is that gonna be take 2?
Yes.
I want that in the
You just hold it. I'm gonna let you do it. All right, we'll cut it.
Take 3, marker.
Frame.
You ready? Lock in. All right. Action.
Hey, Ryan. Sorry, I'm late. I have this little
Never
thing.
mind it. Mohead in emergency. I need you to take over 6.
She messed up the focus. God damn it, Pat. Yeah.
You gotta let me know when it's like, cause I'm gonna be over here.
So when he said, "Oh, well, you don't have to be over there." Ah, I'll be solved. I need some of those.
Yeah, I'm like, I'm pretty sure. Right now, I think he's doing kind of. He's still broke.
So there.
One more time. Back to one.
Rethinking of putting. Someone give me a gun so I can shoot him. I got one in my car. I'll be right back. Thank you. He was
a friend.
No, he was in Black Panther.
Yeah, Black Panther.
Mr. DP.
He came back a little bit, like,
Some words, Mr. DP.
I just need like a little bit more.
Oh, he's just gonna.
She's talking about Daniel Kaluuya. I just want her to die on this hill.
No, I know.
I'm gonna follow you for like 5 seconds.
All right. Once I'm out.